Institute of Mathematical Foundations, Siddipet, an online and offline coaching center for Navodaya and Sainik entrance examinations. We also offers Maths and Science Foundations from class 2 to class 6.
Good morning, children. Welcome to Institute of Mathematical Foundations. Here we are discussing about what maths concepts. Under these maths concepts, we completed what 25 maths concepts. Now we are at 26th maths concept and overall maths class is 39. Now this maths concept 26 is belongs to properties of zero. Zero properties. What are these zero properties? First one is what additive identity. Additive identity means whenever a number is added to 0, we will get the same number. Whenever what a number is added to 0, we will get the same number. Next one. When we are added what a number to the 0, a number to the 0, we will get the same number. Whenever we are adding what a number to the 0, we will get the same number. This is called as what? Additive identity. Additive identity ante when a number is added to 0, we will get the same number. Even 0 is added to a number, we will get the same number. So this is the what additive identity. అంటే 0 ను ఏ నెంబర్ కి యాడ్ చేసినా 0 ని ఆ నెంబరే వస్తుంది. లేదా 0 ని ఏ నెంబర్ కి యాడ్ చేసినా కూడా అదే నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ subtraction identity. Subtraction identity is what when you are subtracted 0 from any number, you will get the same number. When you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the what same number. Same number. So this is called as what subtraction identity. Does such type of case is possible? That means what if a number is what if a number is subtracted from 0, do we get the same number? No. If we subtracted what a number from 0, do we get the same number? No. That means what ఇక్కడ ఒక subtraction identity లో ఈ కేసే పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. That means what when we subtracted 0 from a number, we will get the same number. When we subtract 0 from a number, we will get the same number. But here it is not possible. That means what when we subtract a number from 0, we didn't get the same number. ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు మరి అడిషన్ ఏమో పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఎందుకు పాసిబుల్ అవుతలేదు? బికాస్ అడిషన్ ఫాలోస్ కమ్యూటేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఆఫ్ అడిషన్, బట్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ is follows not follows subtraction property of what is this commutative property of subtraction. Commutative property of what subtraction is not possible, but it is possible. So that's why we are getting their same cases. Next one, subtraction identity. This is the what subtraction identity. Here also what not subtraction identity. Zero property of subtraction. Here we should write. Here what we should write? Zero property of subtraction. Zero property of what subtraction. Can you expect what is meant by zero property of subtraction? The answer you should get 0. When you will get 0, a number is subtracted from itself. A number is subtracted from itself. We will get what? 0. That is called as what? Zero property of subtraction. When a number is subtracted from itself, we will get the same number. That is called as zero property of subtraction. What it is called? Zero property of subtraction. Next one, multiplication identity. What is multiplication identity? When you multiplication identity is what 1. Here what zero property of multiplication unali. Zero property of multiplication. Zero property of what multiplication. Zero property of multiplication. That means what when you are what multiplying 0 with any number, or any number is multiplied with 0, the answer is what? 0. So this is called as what multiplication property of 0, 0 property of multiplication. 0 property of multiplication is what? When you are multiplied 0 with any number or any number with 0, the answer will be what? The product is what? 0. This is called as what? 0 property of multiplication. What is called a 0 property of multiplication. Next one, 0 is divided with any number. The coefficient. Answer means coefficient is 0. 0 is divided with any number. 0 is divided with any number. The answer is what? 0. Answer ఏమొస్తుంది? 0 వస్తుందంట. 0 అంటే ఏంది? మనము 0ను ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ చేసినా కూడా 0నే ఉంటుంది. 0 అంటే అక్కడ ఏం లేదు. ఏం లేని దాన్ని ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ చేసినా ఏం లేకుండానే ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి whenever 0 is what? Divided with any number, the answer, the coefficient is always 0. The coefficient is what? Always 0. Next one, any number is divided by 0. ఇక్కడ 0 is divided with any number. Here what? Any number is what? Divided. Any number is dividing with 0. For example, 29 is what? Divided with 0. 48 is divided with 0. What will be the answer? Does it 0? No. It is not possible. It is not possible. Any number is divided by 0 has no meaning. Meaning ఏం లేదు. ఒక నంబర్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని 0 పార్ట్స్ చేయడం అనేది సాధ్యమవుతుందా? సాధ్యం కాదు. Is it possible? No. When we what? A number is divided with 0 means we should what? Divide into equal 0 equal parts. 0 equal parts. 0 equal parts అని చేయడం సాధ్యం కాదు. కాబట్టి we are what taking here? No meaning. But in higher classes you should learn as the answer is infinitive. Answer infinitive అనేది కొత్త చదువుతారు అక్కడ higher classes లో. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం not possible అనే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Not possible. Next one, model 7. Something to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 200 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, something to the power of 0, small number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Big number to the power of 0 is equal to also 1. ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఎట్లా చదువుతారు? ఎలుక to the power of 0 is equal to 1. ఏనుగు to the power of 0 is equal to also 1. సింపుల్గా చదవడం కోసము నెక్స్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవడం కోసం. ఎలుక అంటే చాలా చిన్నది, ఏనుగు అంటే చాలా పెద్దది. చిన్న టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1, పెద్ద టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కూడా 1 అవుతుంది. సో ఇది మనకు సంథింగ్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ x టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్వేస్ 1. సంథింగ్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్వేస్ 1. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద వాట్ about the properties of what? 0 properties. ఏంటివి? 0 properties. So these are the what about the concept related to what properties of 0. And what is the class work about this class? Class work is what? Just you copy what we are wrote on the board. Next one, homework. What is the homework? Homework number what? 39. And exam also, every day we have exam. Exam number is also 39. సో మీరు హోంవర్క్ నెంబర్ 39, ఎగ్జామ్ నెంబర్ 39. ఎవరైతే ఈ వీడియో చూసి క్లాస్ను వింటారో వాళ్ళు తప్పనిసరిగా ఏం చేయాలి? హోంవర్క్ రాయాలి, ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయాలి. హోంవర్క్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్స్ కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు ఏం చేయాలి? సో దే షుడ్ సెండ్ వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ టు ద నంబర్ వాట్ వీఆర్ స్క్రోల్డ్ అట్ ద బిగినింగ్. సో ముందు స్క్రోల్ అయిన నంబర్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ నెంబర్కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ కనుక చేస్తే, సార్ కైండ్లీ సెండ్ మీ హోంవర్క్ 39 పేపర్స్, కైండ్లీ సెండ్ మీ ఎగ్జామ్ 39 పేపర్స్, దెన్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ యూ. ఓకేనా? రైట్, బాయ్ బాయ్.